How to send an email template in MailChimp. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send an email template in MailChimp. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta sign into your MailChimp account, and once you do so, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. So here at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you need to search for the content section. So you can drag this over here, drag all way to the bottom. So just go all the way to the bottom and click on content. So you can see that this is content over here. So just click on it, and after that you're going to select on email templates. So just click on email templates, and once you do so, you'll be able to see all of the email templates that you have created over here. So for example, this is the email template that I wish to share. So you gotta click on this arrow over here and then click on share. So just click on share and you'll be redirected to another interface that would look something like this in front of you. So what you gotta do is scroll down and you'll find option that would say share by email. So here you can see that the details of the template. So it would say share by email. So you can just type down the email of the person that you want to share this template with. So you can just type that email down and then click on share template, and the email template would be sent to them. Or you can share by URL. So what you can basically do is that copy this URL and send to the specific person that you want to send the email template to. And after that, once they copy that and they go to another tab and paste down the email, hit enter, they'll be redirected to the email template that you have just sent to them. So that was pretty simple, and that was how you can send email template on MailChimp to someone else. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.